Well, hello. Hello, little one. Did you wake up? Did you wake up? Did you wake up? You got out of your blanket, I see. I see you probably got cold legs. Hello, Stinker. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi. It's a good stretch. Good morning. Don't scratch. Don't scratch. Oh. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Do you want to get up now? Do you want to get up? Do you want Mommy to take you out? You want Mommy to take you out of the bassinet? Yeah? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? I guess I could take you out. Okay, kisses. All right, we're going to get out now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.